Hey, welcome to 610 Masters Way here in the Hidden River Estate neighborhood, right off the Three Springs Road in the South Warren School District. This is a full brick home that features 3 beds, 2 baths. You're sitting on 0.36 acres and you're right under 1,700 square feet. Come on in, we'll show you around. As you can tell, this is a very well maintained home. As soon as you walk through the front door, you have a formal dining room here to your left. You have a spacious living room. There's hardwood throughout the common areas, and you have a gas fireplace as well.